Hi students, welcome to Bosco Campus Vision. I am Shankar Ganesh, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Application, Don Bosco College, Kottayam. I am delighted to present a lecture on the topic Network Software, which comes under the subject Computer Networks and Security. This lecture is meant for Semester 3 BCA course of Kerala University. In the previous lecture, we have discussed flow control. Now let's discuss error control. When data frame is transmitted, there is a probability that data frame may be lost in the transit or it is received corrupted. In both cases, the receiver does not receive the correct data frame and sender does not know anything about any loss. In such case, both sender and receiver are equipped with some protocols which helps them to detect transit errors such as loss of data frame. Hence, either the sender retransmits the data frame or the receiver may request to resend the previous data frame. ഡേറ്റ ഫ്രെയിം ട്രാൻസ്മിറ്റ് ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ ഡേറ്റ നഷ്ടപ്പെടാനോ റിസീവറിൽ തെറ്റായി എത്താനോ സാധ്യതയുണ്ട്. ഈ രണ്ടവസ്ഥയിലും റിസീവറിൽ ഡേറ്റ ഫ്രെയിം ശരിയായി എത്താതിരിക്കുകയും ഡേറ്റ നഷ്ടമായതിനെക്കുറിച്ച് സെൻഡർ അറിയാതിരിക്കുകയും ചെയ്യുന്നു. ഈ അവസരത്തിൽ സെൻഡറും റിസീവറും ഒരു പ്രോട്ടോക്കോൾ ഉപയോഗിച്ച് സജ്ജമാക്കുന്നു. ഈ പ്രോട്ടോക്കോൾ എറർ കണ്ടുപിടിക്കുവാൻ സഹായിക്കുന്നു. അങ്ങനെ സെൻഡറിന് ഡേറ്റ ഫ്രെയിമിനെ വീണ്ടും അയക്കുവാനോ റിസീവറിന് ഡേറ്റയെ വീണ്ടും അയക്കുന്നതിനുള്ള അപേക്ഷ കൊടുക്കുവാനോ സാധിക്കുന്നു. Requirements for error control mechanism. First one, error detection. The sender and receiver, either both or any, must ascertain that there is some error in the transit. Second one, positive acknowledgement. When the receiver receives a correct frame, it should acknowledge it. Third one, negative acknowledgement. When the receiver receives a damaged frame or a duplicate frame, it sends a NAC back to the sender and the sender must retransmit the correct frame. Fourth one, retransmission. The sender maintains a clock and sets a timeout period. If an acknowledgement of a data frame previously transmitted does not arrive before the timeout, the sender retransmits the frame thinking that the frame or its acknowledgement is lost in transit. സെൻഡറോ റിസീവറോ ഡേറ്റ ട്രാൻസ്മിറ്റ് ചെയ്യുന്നതിനിടയിൽ തെറ്റ് സംഭവിച്ചിട്ടുണ്ടോ എന്ന് പരിശോധിച്ചറിയുന്നു. There are three types of techniques available which data link layer may deploy to control the errors by automatic repeat request, that is ARQ. First one, stop and wait ARQ. Second one, go back N ARQ. Third one, selective repeat ARQ. First one, stop and wait ARQ. The following transition may occur in stop and wait ARQ. The sender maintains a timeout counter. When a frame is sent, the sender starts the timeout counter. If acknowledgement of frame comes in time, the sender transmits the next frame in queue. If acknowledgement does not come in time, the sender assumes that either the frame or its acknowledgement is lost in transit. Sender retransmits the frame and starts the timeout counter. If a negative acknowledgement is received, the sender retransmits the frame. Second one, go back N ARQ. Stop and wait ARQ mechanism does not utilize the resources at their best. When the acknowledgement is received, the sender sits idle and does nothing. In go back N ARQ method, both sender and receiver maintain a window. The sending window size enables the sender to send multiple frames without receiving the acknowledgement of the previous ones. The receiving window enables the receiver to receive multiple frames and acknowledge them. The receiver keeps track of incoming frame sequence number. When the sender sends all the frames in window, it checks up what sequence number it has received positive acknowledgement. If all frames are positively acknowledged, the sender sends next set of frames. If sender finds that it has received negative acknowledgement, that is NAAC, or has not received any acknowledgement for a particular frame, it retransmits all the frames, after which it does not receive any positive acknowledgement. Third one, selective repeat ARQ. In go by N ARQ, it is assumed that the receiver does not have any buffer space for its window size and has to process each frame as it comes. This enforces the sender to retransmit all the frames which are not acknowledged. In selective repeat ARQ, the receiver, while keeping track of sequence numbers, buffers the frames in memory and sends negative acknowledgement for only frame which is missing or damaged. The sender in this case sends only packet for which negative acknowledgement is received. In this lecture, we have discussed error control and types of error control. Hope all of you have understood the lecture. Thank you.